Patricia Warby here, and just another in my video series about how to garden. This is a ornamental grass, and it looks to all intents and purposes that it might be dead. Okay, but I'm here to tell you it is not. And a close look at the roots and closer to the soil, you'll see it's quite green. But this is last year's growth, and we need to prune this away. So what I'm going to do, get a nice pair of secateurs, bypass are the best, and then just make sure they're sharp and cut away. Except these aren't very sharp. But basically what you do is you just give it a haircut. It's also called the Chelsea chop in the UK from Chelsea Flower Show. So you just cut it right down, and that, after a water, will come right back and look really beautiful and green for the summer. It's April in the UK, and this is a perfect time to do it. You don't want to do it too early, otherwise the grass will actually die. So once you've done that one, give it a good water. That's that one done. And then we can do the same here with this one. This is a purple one, and you can see again, looks a bit dead, but at the base, a lot of bronze colour. So you'll repeat with that one, just the same. So there you go, that's how to prune ornamental grasses.